my Landa, it's the Butcher Box.
Hey, what's up my queen bees? It's your girl Amanda the Buzz Coach, helping women like you lose weight and live more healthier lives. I like to eat. Tell you about a new subscription service that I found that completely blew my pants off, and that miracle is brought to you by ButcherBox.
Okay, super quick. I wanted to let you know that I am not sponsored by ButcherBox, nor did they pay me to review their service. I was just super curious about their boxes and wanted to try it out and share my thoughts with you. And by doing that, I ended up really falling in love with their service so much that I became an affiliate for them, which means that any ButcherBox link that you click on and purchase here, I will earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Okay, now that we got that squared away, let's get back to the review.
ButcherBox is a subscription service that delivers grass-fed and grass-finished beef, free-range organic chicken, and heritage breed pork, delivered to your door on a monthly or bi-monthly basis.
This just arrived. Look how big this box is. Ethan, stand next to it. That's big. Holy crap. This is such a cool package. I am all about this. All right, let's get this open. Oh my lord, we're gonna open it up. Yeah, get it. Get it. Yeah, you got it. Anyway. Oh my god, this comes in a really nice package. Oh my lord. Gotcha. Oh, what do we got in here? Pull it out one by one. Do a show for me.
We got some bricks of ground beef.
Oh, baby, we got some uncured smoked bacon. This is perfect for all y'all who are doing Whole30. No nitrates. Raised without antibiotics. Let's see what goodness we have in here.
Strip loin steaks.
I like it. Oh, girding my loins for these beefs. We got our filet mignon. Look how beautiful and veiny they are. Sinewy.
Yeah. 3 packs of chicken breasts, looks like.
Last but not least,
These are chicken thighs. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs.
Look at all those chickens!
boneless, skinless, organic. This is everything. Best meat ever. So you gotta thaw it overnight. Like, look at that baby. Just loving life right now. All of this actually came inside that little box that we have.
Yeah. To prepare for delivery, all of these meats are frozen to perfection, packed into a freezer bag, which is then packed into an insulated liner box with a carefully calculated amount of dry ice based on how far you live. So you get your meat delivered at just the right frozen state. Genius!
Thanks, ButcherBox.
Our first meal that Ethan and I made was a sous vide and seared filet mignon. We marinated it in salt, pepper, olive oil, crushed garlic, and thyme. Let the sous vide work its magic, seared it on the grill, and came out with beautifully medium rare steaks that were pink and ready for our tummies. We paired this with a broccoli rabe and potato medley for our complete Whole30 approved meal. We also made a myriad of other meals with our ButcherBox items, ranging from burger patties and collard green wrap, beef chili, and some good old-fashioned pan-fried bacon. With ButcherBox, you can either custom choose your own cuts of meat or choose between 4 curated boxes. The contents of the curated boxes do change each month and include a mix of premium cuts including ribeye, New York strip, chicken breasts, and included convenience cuts like roasts, sirloin steaks, and thighs. Ethan and I are so excited about ButcherBox because it is high quality meat that is sourced from animals from both the US and Australia that follow a strict guideline for grass-fed qualified meat. This means that ButcherBox holds their meat to the same quality standards as their Australian counterparts, creating meat products that both promote quality and ethical food labeling. These animals are truly pasture-raised, without the use of antibiotics or added fillers, giving you meat that is at its peak tenderness and flavor, as well as healthy. And that, for me, is awesome. America. So if you want to try ButcherBox and really taste the difference, I worked out a deal with this company to give you all, my subscribers, $10 off your first order of ButcherBox, as well as a free package of their bacon.
And you could find my affiliate link in the description below. Once again, I will receive a small commission if you happen to click and purchase using my link.
Now tell me, what is your favorite meat? And why? Comment below, let me know. I am so curious to find out. Alright y'all, well, I got some bacon to go eat. And one more thing, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, you know what to do, so that you can see more helpful health tips, products, and reviews from me in the future. Alright y'all, I'll see you all next time. Bye!
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's like cascading. Look at this. God, that's so creepy. I love it. Me trying to do Whole 30.